today's video, we're making our way to the town of Nagcarlan, Laguna, Philippines. And according to the 2020 census, has a population of 64,866 people. Nagcarlan offers natural and cultural attractions for visitors, such as rivers, waterfalls, lakes, and hills for outdoor activities. There's also Spanish colonial sites for historical exploration. But first, we're going to make our way to Los Banos to try some Buko Pie at the original Buko Pie shop. And after pie, we're going to make our way to the center of Nagcarlan, where we interact with locals, meet the police chief, and find out how this statue is related to Vanessa and her family. And I am going to get a haircut with a local barber. Let's go.
All right, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, good day, travelers. We are coming to you from Los Banos here in the Philippines, and we are going to get some Buko Pie. What is Buko Pie? It's a young coconut pie, and it's very, very popular here in the Philippines, and we are going in there to give it a try. Let's go. Before we get in there, travelers, just wanted to let you guys know this establishment has been around since 1965. All right, let's make our way inside, travelers. Chicharron. Here you go. You guys see the entire shop. You got banana chips and the chips, peanuts, sweet cashews. Wow, look at the line here. Everybody lining up to get their Buko Pie. Looks like we're gonna have to try some, you guys. Because we are in line right now. We're waiting to get our Buko Pie. So let's get up there and let's see how delicious this is gonna be. So as you guys can see here, we got what they call here in the Philippines, guayabano juice. In Puerto Rico and Latin America, it's a fruit called guanabana. And it's just a delicious fruit. If you guys ever get a chance to eat the guanabana or buy the juice, I highly recommend it. We're next in line to order. Take a look right here. You see all the pies lined up. So what you do is you wait in the line, and then you come up here and they have this whole mountain of pies for you to order.
Hi, one Buko Pie?
Can you cut it? So this is what a Buko Pie looks like, guys. How much was it?
$270. $270 pesos. So what is that? $5? A little, yeah, $5 for a pie. Pretty good. Salamat.
Thank you. Perfect.
How many?
Just one slice. We're just gonna try it out.
Perfect.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. This thing is still warm. Feel.
Ooh, yeah.
You just took it out. All right, travelers. So this is the Buko Pie, and as you saw, the friendly people within the bake shop actually cut this for us. They gave us some napkins. So I've had this before, but this brand and from actually this area is the first time, and this is definitely going to be Tony's first time trying Buko Pie. But you could see it's nice and baked. It's nice and warm. And we're gonna just dig in with our hands and take a bite of it. Oh my gosh. No.
All right, look at that, you guys.
Ooh, hot. So good. So Buko is coconut, and it has a nice but just right flavor of coconut. You can feel the chunks of coconut that's in here. It's creamy and it has a nice amount of sweetness to it. The crust is awesome together. So if you're ever in Los Banos, make sure you stop by. And I'm gonna let Tony try a slice of Buko Pie. We'll see how he likes it.
All right, guys. So I didn't even know the word Buko existed until today, and now it's in a pie. So Buko young coconut pie, and it is extremely warm, like Vanessa said. And I can't wait to give this a try. All right, it's warm, soft crust. Honestly, I was expecting to taste coconut, but you don't really taste coconut. It's more, I thought it was gonna be sweet, and it's kind of a savory. Hard to describe taste, guys. It's not bad. You just if you've never had it and you're expecting to taste coconut, there's no coconut taste, but it's good. I could eat this. I just don't know how to describe it. It is very tasty, and the crust is really what makes it for me. It's a nice, soft, warm, thick crust, but it's not crunchy. It doesn't break. It holds together real well, almost like an empanada kind of meal. But it's good, guys. We are done with our buko pie, and now we're gonna get back in the van and keep on our journey to Laguna. All right, guys, so we are in the little town of Nagcarlan, which is a little subdivision of Laguna, and we are walking around. Check it out. This is a city municipality. Check out the local fire truck here. This is the pretty cool Bureau of Protection. And then I think this is, hello. We got statues over here, guys. And this one got first place. Kalang contest. So if you could put in the comments, you guys below, please, what is Kalang? As you guys can see there, this is a Nagcarlan Presidencia, which is the government building here of Nagcarlan. So here you guys see more fire trucks. It looks like they're retired. And then you got the police truck here. Check it out. Hello. How are you? How are you? Oh, nice to meet you. Hey guys. Kumusta ka? How are you? Good. How are you? Sergeant? Sergeant? Yeah. Are you police or fire? Police? Yeah, police. Hey, you?
Parcel.
Parcel. Imparcel.
Traffic.
Oh, okay. Enforcer. Oh. Enforcer. Got it. You guys, I'm struggling with the P's and the F's. Okay, this is a picture with the chief, you guys. This is a picture with the chief. Amalang penglang mo? Jerry. All right, Tony. Okay. All right, salamat. All right, guys. So this is Vanessa's great grandpa or grandpa. There's a name, Alfonso. It's him right here.
So we are in Nagcarlan, Laguna, and I just wanted to explain this statue that my dad has been trying to find. This is my late grandmother's first husband. They were during World War II a part of the guerrilla army, and unfortunately he was executed. And how the status here works is because he was a colonel, my grandmother, after he was killed, actually took over the guerrilla army. And my blood grandfather and my blood grandmother, so his wife, ended up meeting, and his name is listed here, Alfonso. And so they met and lived in this area. So this is my first time here in Nagcarlan, Laguna, but just wanted to show you the history of my roots to our travelers on TV Travels. But yeah, it's just awesome to be here to see all of this. I've heard about this all my life, and to kind of put it together into perspective, it's just amazing, and just happy to be here. So we're gonna keep exploring and take you with us.
All right.
I figured it out, guys. Ana Kalang. She's the lady who founded this town. Look at the puppies. Look at that. Hey, pups. This is the founder, the lady who they just did the statue making contest for that I showed you first prize. Well, this is her actual official statue in town. And here you guys can read all about her. Go ahead and press pause on the video if you want. This is a beautiful statue here on Miss Ana Kalang. So Vanessa spotted a barber shop, and if you've been following the channel at all, you know that I love getting my hair cut in foreign places and new barbershops. So we're gonna head on over here to Castillo's barbershop and see if they have time to get me in. I got my hair cut last week before we came. As you guys can see, I don't really need too much of a haircut, but might as well get it trimmed up because in 3 days we're flying out to a new country, and nothing better than having a fresh fade in a new country. Let me show you a little bit of what traffic looks like here. Look at this. Jeepneys, we got trikes. This is afternoon traffic in Nagcarlan. All right, guys, here we go. Walking, watch your step there. Hello. Let's see if Castillo's barbershop. Hello. Hey, barber? Can you do me? Yeah? How much? How much? 70. Let's do it. All right, guys, 70 Filipino pesos for a fade out there. And let's meet our barber. Amalang pengleng mo? Kuya? Castillo? Castillo. All right. Rico. Tony. Nice to meet you. All right, guys. So let's get a nice haircut here. This is my first Filipino haircut experience, you guys. Let's do a fade. Yeah, just like that. Yep. All right, but not too high, like medium. Medium. Yeah. And the top, just a little trim. Yeah. How long here? How many years, barber?
4 months pala.
4 months. All right, guys. Yeah. All right, we got a new barber. 4 months, guys. This is awesome. Rico has opened a barber shop. How many haircuts a day? 3 to 4? Yeah. Okay. Are you from here, from Nagcarlan? Yeah. Your whole life? Yeah. Travelers, as you can see, we're getting the full experience here of Nagcarlan. All right. Yeah, thank you. Turned a fan on for us. I hope you appreciate getting to see barbershops in different parts of the world and seeing how different barbers cut people's hair. So you guys, this is a haircut for 70 pesos. That is, in American dollars, about $1.50, $1.25. So very cheap. So we'll be paying a lot more than 70 pesos for this haircut when we're done. Going all the way to the skin here, guys. Looking good, looking good. You're open every day? You open every day? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. How many hours?
5.
5 hours? Okay. What hours? What are they? What time?
9.
9 to 5? 9 to 5, all right. Man, that's awesome. I didn't even ask for that, but I wanted it, and I'm glad you did it. That's good. Look at that, man. This guy is an artist.
Yeah.
Artist with the clippers and the scissors. That's awesome. I wish I lived closer. You would be my barber every 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Yeah, every 2 weeks I get my hair cut. Sculpting. Very good, Rico. Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, I love it. Very good, yeah.
Nice. Very nice.
All right, Rico. Thank you. So you guys take a look at the job that Rico did right here, all around. Look at. Looks good. Here's Rico, guys. The man. If you're ever in Nagcarlan, come see Rico. Rico, that's our channel. Subscribe, please. Thank you.
Well, it's 70, but I'd like to go way more than that. All right. For you. That's for you. Yeah. Thank you.
You did a good
Yeah,
job.
great job.
Very nice.
Great job.
Better
Yeah.
than some places in America. You're good.
Yeah, you did great.
Good.
Thank you, Rico. All right, we'll see you later. They came out with a fresh fade and half a beard, but I love the haircut, man. Rico really did a great job. So if you're ever in Nagcarlan, hey, say hi to the blog.
What's your name?
Here, this is our vlog.
I like your bug up, Barber.
Huh?
I like your bug.
Oh yeah, thank you. That's our blog. If you guys want to subscribe, yeah, subscribe, please.
They have one?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who didn't get one? You guys all got one?
Thank you very much.
All right, thank you guys. Bye.
You're out. Welcome to the Philippines.
All right, thank you. So as you can see, people here in the Philippines are just absolutely amazing, super friendly. They love YouTube, they love vlogs, and we're just super happy to be here, guys. That was awesome. Now we're gonna continue on to another part of this town. I'm bad with the names here, guys, so as we go, I'll tell you, but we're just going on with our driver. Yeah, he did really good of it.
I love his scissor tricks.
Yeah, because he sculpted it.
Yeah.
I love when a barber sculpts your hair, and that guy sculpted it really good. All right, we'll see you guys soon.